you all. We are going to begin our program. We have gathered here for the 38th Annual Day celebration of CAFCO Primary School. To begin today's program, may I call upon Aisha Hamda of Class 3 to the stage to recite verses from the Holy Quran. Thank you, Aisha. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon our headmistress, Mrs. Parveen Ayu, to brief you all on the curricular and co-curricular activities held during the academic year.
Respected Chairman, Mr. Asif Sami, members of the Managing Committee, special invitees, parents and my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all in this evening to celebrate the annual day of our school. On this happy occasion, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all. I also extend my warm welcome to all the parents and the special invitees who are present here. On behalf of the school managing committee and its teaching staff and the students, I warmly welcome you. Our journey started way back in 1974 with very few students and staff. We have sailed a long journey and grown to this level with the recognition from the Supreme Education Council. Our vision and commitment has always been to ensure the overall development of our students in addition to our effort to impart best education. This academic year, we have 192 students, out of which 80 are newcomers. At present, we have 14 dedicated teachers and 1 office secretary and 3 support staff. With great support from the CAFCO management and the CAFCO managing committee, in providing with the facilities and infrastructure, it has been possible for the school to reach to this level. I would like to take this opportunity to thank them for the same. The school has been renovated with some of the modern facilities. We now have a fully equipped library, football and a volleyball court, fire extinguishers and latest fire detection systems are installed in the school. Safety audits are carried out in the school on regular basis by the CAFCO management. Keeping in mind the age and interest of the children, the yearly academic co-curricular and extracurricular activities are planned and executed. As always, this year was filled with lot of activities and celebrations which have showcased the hidden talent of our students and overwhelming support from the parents. The school recently conducted the recitation competition, talent competition and the fancy dress competition for all students. They participated very enthusiastically. To ensure that our students are equipped to face any challenge, we have focused on special topics including first aid, health education and evacuation drill in the school. Parent-teachers meetings are conducted to review the progress of the students and seek the parents' participation and feedback about our activities. Parents, through their involvement in these meetings, held twice during the academic year, reaffirmed this support in the functioning of the school. The school management conducted meetings with the teachers to review the activities of our school and plan for the future. They also arranged for important workshops to enable the teachers to meet the modern challenges. Our staff also attended various workshops and training sessions arranged by the Supreme Education Council of Qatar. Today is the biggest function of the school where we celebrate the annual day function. The students participate with great interest and work hand in hand to make this occasion a grand success. I extend my gratitude to all those who have contributed with their constructive suggestions to make this function a grand success. I take this opportunity to thank the Al-Maha Club management and their staff for their continuous support provided to our school. I conclude by thanking you for your support and suggestion and hope that we will be as fortunate in future too. Thank you very much and hope you will all have a pleasant and enjoyable evening. Thank you.